see themselves must also enjoy. Because at the end of the day, ideology ni ade okay there. Ono ade beba. Ama Ghana for timamufo na e Ghana ha ho atoi. Na mom di ogina simpie so to abama no di ogina baabi the same family. But the can said this time around no. Ahini no ekwa Kayaso family. The same abusuan o. Na mom baabi a ekwa no be benefit more than ye na ye wo that same family no. Kayaso what mase. Because ebi o ha sa family na eba sesia no. Enu amu na mbesa ayi amanfo abeden abehye
sabe woni be ma de ehemu a wonte de bosome so na obo wonsan so ya na enema enfloyi ma wonsanka araba bazen tablet be ma waye mre won paso hunsu agene wontu ma oba mfafo woni oba de ehemu asesia na wajamu wodi eye Mr. Q aduro ebusu obia eto waduro bia na mom ubetumi afre eye kunlu Ghana e was 0504 906 665 Saranso and the Bros Phones Service. As we might be on Mupon and pay our Junasi. For when each of our Boadaka Bros animal our Junasi, a sort of honoma and not warm ever. We won't say a Bros Phones Service. Oh, Cornacoju phones. Phone the money and our pay iPhone, Samsung, Nokia. Phone bank and our pay. What's an Apple laptop? Phone glass, phone protectors, phone covers, power banks. We be a phone hodie. For any extra our the Bros Phones Service 0550 981107 and 0543 531524. The Bros Phone Service obiase phone papa ifie and the Bros Phone Service. So see I want them University of Education Winnipeg UEW one College of Distance Education and E-Learning Kodel Womo aswe abepiem e was a hu so say na womo programs be to say bachelor programs to say Bachelor of Education Junior High School, Bachelor of Education Early Grade, Bachelor of Arts and 297 and 0542 936 592. Anapay enkomo ayedie no ebre no enie maminti osusu wadwen che kakra na afi yemfa dwumadi no ensi na Mystica Wonders emra meto also na onfa the mid morning branch show no emfa ento also yefra me kwesi foku kudom anapay
Kayaso akwara
ebeto da mpacha maminti anapay
wa boduma yes red delegate say muta num no majna wa pito mu nyina ede fa back we yantuma doctor Amadu Baumia na mention people not one NDV or more Kayaso more opposition tell them say more Kayaso mo ba mo just 1 week ebe to as NDV need to work as Baumia Kayaso be $2 send boto Modi amoka sa modi wari be tu galam ta se ne dia na ego ma bank na musimu be bie no why nkukwo buo na mama ya bobo no nkukwo ne why man kan ya mo ba ya na mo be ya no na mo di LPP dia Abia 2028 modi amonu mo na mo nsere woni ya me nyafi
ebeto da medasi. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Mpacha udini wasemwe.
Ugundo mpacha Osman ni okamuku.
Ora Osman yinti.
Mamenda wase na mentia NDC ni na mentia MPP ni so. Na obika asem no about Dr. Mamuru Bomebia. Onimpe ya no kai Ghana kwa ya wana. Enti o ke yewura Dr. Mamuru Bomebia ne ye papa. Ayo mo penida dana na akukwado. Aho kira mo de ba mo Ghana no wanhuna na. Ife papa ba odutu niema yele akofom na debe na wompe do ta say yes am play but Dr. Mamuru Bomi and no sa fa on tire nemra na Ghana for so wompe na galante no so abai no so niema nso ni beti wan ama MPP for won say ma bon no be ni for work no NDC for the yes so far.
All right, bedasi. Good morning.
Good morning, Kayaso.
Yeah, very maminti.
Hello, I'm going to share NDC near Oho. Now, mental calamity to say, I am a frown to some mom high and Siami. Now, so one pay Tiamtana near the Pesame can run for a party. Now, what else?
Party.
na ne nkyia ndc mpanyinfoɔ a wɔsɛ hweyɛ ɔso nyinaa na ne nkyia wɔn abo mp na ne nkyia wɔn abo president na ne ka nkyɛn npp foɔ sɛ yɛsrɛ wɔn yɛa yɛto yɛ abama ndc ɛnya gyidie ɛwɔ ne mu yɛwura John Dramani Mahama mu ɛne ɔnabo president mu na yɛto abama wɔn no yɛmpa aba yɛ yɛgusu bɔ mpa yɛ gidigidi aka wɔn akyi wɔn nyɛ nnwuma pa ɛma yɛn na bɛtɔ da ne srɛ no nsɛm dɛ na yɛ a yɛka ɛte sɛ deɛ yɛwɔ opposition ọmụ wọ asẹmpapa kan nkwa na ọmụ wọ aban mu no ọmụ kan yẹ nkwa ọmụ kan yẹ nti ọmụ tumi kan ẹma ne mma yẹ ẹnkyerɛ yẹ kwan a yɛbɛka so akasa na ọmụ nim kasa nkwa ọmụ ayɛ amambuo ne basaa mɛda ase.
All right, mɛda ase vim ɛne wɔn nso wo deɛ hello good morning. Hello good morning. Yes sir.
Hello good morning. Benjamin Mr.
Mpacho ma yinti o.
Kayaso me pacho nyuma atara bi okasa mna ne gino kwa na omumiri na omonsa mama aka no to aso me fa galampi no. Kayaso no so de aka ne se wo. Duma sem na eni Ghana ha no so ka ho. Ejiro kan pa pacho yan fa na se wati no fa na mo ye de ni pa ye ku duma. Na ku duma na ye no ye se yan fa se ku afa. Ana government na hu so se ye ku aduma ye ko wati no fa ye ko wati bi da wo. Ebi na ye 1,000 hectares ya fa workers. Aye kwa ebi worker be fa ne be tia na 1,000 Ghana per month. Na yempie kuku e wo ho. Nti one be kwa kwa galam se forest ni mu. Awu no se won so je be 500 cities and 1,000 cities. But ba na one ka some politicians no no one ka sa ai ache aduma na wo mo ni mu afa. They say ye ka say ebi na no be anko school da by say ye ba ye say e this na be no. Ya fa no ebi a ye fa police no ye police ni GK. No be so why you fan when people say that you need so any na you need no ko you ma ben e ti me bi ni wo mu e ti so mba ti na o mo ma nduma na mra o mo anya ndc ko MPP ndc fo na yo mo betre ko nya no so a o mo anga fa fo na be nduma no mu judge man fo no e no ya he galam tene ti so woda.
All right, thank you. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning Kayaso.
Daniel Kasamitio.
Jumanya minsia na minsia pitini no. Kayaso. Yeah, the galamse, yeah, you have to and this is what ye bo. Almost a 24-hour economy. Mobile, ye who hey, yanke home for it. Yeah, Ramahama, Abia, what to like be with 10%. What time they love is what to control so, say, I like to make it also, not 24-hour economy, no so ye. Yeah, we. When did I see you to Abama? You were about me. Baumia to Oba. 120 be Obama appointment. When I call for you to say appointment in the baby, that's what your mother did that. It's a more true more people. If you delegate, Yan to Obama Baumia, or no Ba, or Babua, now Mabuania to my.
Medase Daniel. Good morning.
Good morning,
yes, sir. Adam Ayinti.
Yo, Mamanda Obeja for na ase, Omabo Jumade, Obia Canada, Ghana for you go to a year for Maba. Now I say a fire journey, a better son, even that regular say, so we put to so bedaya. Now I can say about the year 2 years, the other can say a very buntua, a baba or my anymore. So what I say. Yeah, if I only a hospital, some say obey ye do, obey you, what my baby or Kobe Jebe. If you know a chain, the Nina, the whole kind of say Yamawa, not wow. I'm in 5 years, Lamenda, a Kuyukuma, Samuel Marcy. As you must soon be aware and I say, Zaura, Quaya, no more, you come and be person on the chap, and I come on. Nancy Rebecca Bernard cannot say, Titru Popobia, Yamin Pop Bonnet, and ye, Kayaso, who do not say so far. There's a jolly fire, Bobo, and I know Eddie, and I say, not the cocoa, the goose, and come, yeah, Kobe, you know, they say, a coba, I should be able to empty.
All right, Medasi. Hello. Good morning. Papa. Major Paul, I'm into you.
Yo, I'm afraid I don't want to. Empty for almost NDC for NDC for the Baba Moko. Your talk say you say NDC for the Moko. Because NDC, you know, no, almost away. That you could almost have a good lecture with that. Also, those are all wow. I'm the one by Boom said, Kirakolas, the idea of the Homo. But the MP before the I said, Simo, you know, boy, you into me. Yes, I was about Yakasadia in your bar.
Okay, want to be anyina so ma memfa AC ewa ha memfa ofrefo bia bi me da frefo de nyina ase ne obi adwenkyere a ode bae me bre aso meba na fe ya ba bewie.
It's another horse season coming up. What's not region? Are you ready? Military Hotel and Event Center present early Christmas Fest Pool Party 25 with DJ Zeb on Nune Arena on Near TV Aquarian Safo Season 1. On the side, the youngest DJ in Ghana so far. Jumediane Basso 5th October Sunday. Our Military Hotel and Event Center. So you put it crew. Time 7 p.m. till you drop. Hype Man, MC Abrantipa, DJs on board, DJ Attention, and DJ Arrested. And your free gates are boom. Where the girls day. Girls, now one day. Military Hotel and Event Center present Ladies Night Pool Party with strippers. Umubed Dese. Jumadian Bessasia, 19th October 2025. Time 7 p.m. Venue, Military Hotel and Event Center. So you put it group. And your free gates. High Policy, MC Abrantipa, and MC Eugene. Music Policy by DJ Tag Pizarro, DJ Attention, and DJ Arrested. Side attraction, free pool party for ladies. Ubabili J Hotel and Event Center. Woodley problem cry. Your bar, your restaurant, your hotel, your guest house, your pool. Maybe you have a park your car. Woodley problem. Security is here tight. You check when you say you put it crew. 0541 11 24 66. Billy J Hotel and Event Center. This year, 2025, your programs are boom.
Soft like my address.
What's and then Maria Yabo, Dr. Simenia hepatitis B. And you know what? Oh, Hinay, Dr. Agosia Dia, what power specialist Herbal Hospital? Hey, yet dear was Sanya Bini. What hepatitis? I hear someone word on Kwang Kron. Nancy, baby, for what can say? One of the hepatitis award. What's ya to be America? The UK BECHEM. Nakas or Janoka. Sir, na fatally found what fryer don't you? Ebeko, prostate, second part to go my boss and all set it. Say, what? Sekoto, January, Gosokosokra. Foko Power Specialist Herbal Hospital. Oh, we're drunk, sir, and you went qua. Oh, say, you don't do me. About Unchirame Hosa Mebre. Kumasi, what will say yes, the level of Jiro, Jasper Filling Station, overseas, and Grind, Kobenya, Pokiasi, SCP Quantum Ponaso, Takrade, Anaji Estates, Anaji MA Primary School, Shanimu, telephone 0244 544 422 0200 383831, WhatsApp 0555 797878. Power Specialist Herbal Hospital. Your last stop.
Problem there.
Catch I was saying, Rankin Collections, the leading boutique in Western Offer. Now the Machinye, Nesruma Proa, one of the Casam Trewa, and Kobisa Mame, Rankin Collections, I say Precasano, we free Quaman Quananga, Mama who knew my dear, through Tilso, and Cosu Nase, yet Mama who knew my Nabi, shells, quality jeans, and knickers, slippers, boxes, watches, store set, half shoe, and a full smells, Bola tops, and then Mama in my Yinashe, Baxa, and Mama at the Saya Hono, Ninabu, Rankin Collections in your main, are your original, quality caboose, bitches and Nike. Air Force, Jordan, Waffle Bikahu, Mema Hunyum, Yinabi, Whoopet Tadia de Bako office, Udakon Kojuma Bia, Ranking Collections, Zabwa, Sabama, Whoopel Wedding, Engagement, Birthday Party, Asare, Hunyum, Yino, Ranking Collections, Mema Hunyum, Ranking Collections, what's my meeting? Sorry, Glass Station, GP out to you, a mobile sign on, Zara Station 1 on the second floor, Ranking Collections, our home, and a Sahi also glassy, a team, one Ginasa Hifiano, and a boss of pay, Fresh Hour 248 0544 461440. Ranking Collections, buy quality, pay less.
AC, bra. Now one pa now complain says Yachika Howie, and then never know an answer.
Over, my bro, my bre papa, me twasin et me say time. Yale, Yale, one. Dr. Kankwe, Dr. Codivoire Bam, and I ti me sa no
Sir, Dr. Kodivo Abam, any sciatic and Kwan Esana.
Ofa me come chira we nya sciatic and Kwan. Bini abe me ya no we chire he ya na stroke atini ya wakadami. Dr. Kankwe, Dr. Kodivo Abam ya na me di ho adanse e chire no. Wo di twitwi ne ho ade e chire di twi no. Ne ho ato no se fom wasole. Na etumi stomach ulcer papa. Ene honam yaw. Na oba ne sabuo maye. Wo hia Dr. Kankwe, Dr. Kodivo Abam ya. Ebeba kama. Ama ne ba yesipi esita. Adwene ti ye kokko. Ena ne to ade ye fita.
Hey, ene na Dr. Kodivo Abami. Eyadu pau. Na menye bi atowen.
Wo pe bi atu akoton a. Fa wani kire Kumase Mamponten. Ena wo pe bi atowo se wi ha so a. Ofa kisi heba. Philomena Fosia chemical. Esther Ata chemical. Opana drugstore ewo Leman Krom. Ena chemical ne heba shop bia ti atese. Na obetimi afre number 0246 33 6509. Dr. Kankwe, Dr. Kodivo Abam, and Nam Papa.
Hello, Ghana for Bills are coming home. Bills set 2025 video. And it does so homo bia or tiwakwa. Only ejuma ye. Ain't if when it's bills. Na beti loan now. Bet media ya wow ejuma. Way ye loan don't come in. We yashio. We here Ghana card. And one won saka unsika. Nasa we obi a we wow ejuma upese utremu. Anasa we ejuma mia. Uji busumi akekia. And your bill set bray. Na beti loan na. Umfe BBS yawa. Collateral. Anasa deposit. We here mubia. Ain't ya video. Bill se si obi a wuni ejuma bia ye. Ubetumi abeji loan don't come in ubi. Nasa what's nefi na when yesika nubi dia. Eye wow. Ain't different bills se si a. It was 0596 920 833 ana 0302 200 390. Now wait to me yawo bills. Nemo HSA Kakrawa. Bank of Ghana Sasha Bills Microcredit Chishayase. Bills financing your needs.
Liberty FM, the giant of the West.
Abusia mame Simon akwaba ye sorry e wo dwumadi so ma menko eye ima ho na minti ima ne sorry ima
Kayaso
less than a minute.
Well Jedika me san so boy MC Abaso go dwuma so a obo meko so action in crime because illegal mining na sama yekin I believe the last time somewhere around Bedi or so MC omoko tracking crofobia down through the benevolence of the Blue Water Guard. Master say Danny the engine but be on my cottage in crofobia omo na so nyenti etia ho na said the bear almost signs to see omo chi bi ma e be un say omo asan so aba back to site na yen hwane fight this particular menace because nya there e be boy am say bi mo kika na ye buy na ye nyehwe na ye ka say the 24-hour economy omo an be before no ya aware what the 24-hour economy is all about, just that they are refusing to accept the reality. Committee as a CIA Oba Liberty as a I don't think say nipa ba ko pen e adwuma ha ye running shift e de mamo nti ukona ba ni nyina ye part of the 24-hour economy na ye kan. It's just a typical example na me de ma ye hwe nurses for they run shift omo wo sika omo tu kwa abrochi na they know some of these things but the reality is that they don't want to like accept it just because enyo omo na omo de buy MPP because omo de buy ye de ba nyina omo kan ana ye de ba na ye ntimi ne sebe ye re ne monda ana ye amanfo be fire ye na then here and there. These are all myth and then some anya no correct no mo kan dey atoso ye nim say anya hwekra ya launch codes program 1 million codes egusu ekoso through the National Youth Authority ya launch western of ye be ye there or also asi na na buy in school hall. I think say mo ko take coverage ehwe enkofa ya pa mo say ye be boa mo ayadwuma anya hwekra nim say community police ne community fire community whatever ya bebre aba system no mo start o mo yadwuma anti kakra we'll get there. We are just about one fourth out of our mandate within the years as governance until we'll get there.
Right. That's it. Douglas.
Nana.
Yes, sorry.
You're talking about 24-hour economy. He's talking about those existing ones. Nurses. Any example? Nana. Say example now, but you say be more the new thing being but not the okay kind of say that na say one far away my. Because they see a government and okra pushes scam. Looking at local government, a lot of the MCs are getting money. And no chinamiti most of the public account committee of local government, you know. Bebre na misuse scan no misuse no sir.
I even no misuse.
From a bibiani here.
It's not true.
It is true.
It is never true. It is never true.
Not speculation.
It is never true. It is never true.
It's never true.
Don't go there.
Yo, Nana, you give you the duties and you get the whole document.
Masa.
What is even said?
Near solo a Troy from the River Quai. Our kind. I interviewed
from Peace FM.
What is Peace FM? What is Peace FM? Tell me, what is Peace FM?
Oh, they are reporting to us.
No, the reportage they gave is the write-up by Solo. I interviewed Solo. I interviewed the MC.
Okay.
And then other MCs.
Okay.
The 12 million Solo mentioned is not true.
It's not true. So you have not received that 12 million?
They haven't received.
Okay.
They have received 6 million, which is sitting in the accounts. The 4 million generated, internally
generated fund. Our IGF.
The IGF,
so
it is not sitting.
That one there. It's always running within the distance.
A car or buy IGF will generate.
Exactly. But now you are not more can say he was emphasis on say scan or the atete gatem.
No.
When you admit say say we now the atete gatem dia nana.
He said size scan.
Yeah.
The internally generated fund no be na wo mu e dia yes agata ni mu asem flood ni ho asem na wo kan.
Yeah.
No be and no more ye nia na ohodom MPP pension no oko oja aka wo ho oba yes aka no oba betua anu bi na omo di tua bills anu bi na omo di tua fuel anu bi na omo di yes anema school na asem na oka flood na asem na oka yes can be the 6 million brought by government it is still sitting in the account.
Nana, let's take it from you. I'll take it, but I'll later.
Call Solo.
Okay.
I interview Solo.
Sebastian is somebody I know, so I will even contact him directly and get you the feedback. I think it's very good to also get some details from this. I said normally, I have been following the public account committee from the committee sitting, so I've been listening to them. Most of the MCs,
I interviewed Sebastian.
Most of the MCs are bringing up what they are going
through. Ammonia on the same issue.
Exactly.
I also say a contomna he has also received the same.
Exactly.
But because of say bibiani
anyway no
a contomna enye pentisika a contomna funya which is sitting in the account different.
All right.